everyone, this is Louise from thunderlaser. Today I'd like to share with you how to use the rotary function of the Aurora Lite. Now let's get started. First, take out the rotary axis and place it in the working area. Connect the rotary attachment with Aurora Lite. Now, we need to measure the outer diameter of the material to be machined. Fix it on the rotary axis. Then, adjust the knob on the side of the shaft to level the angle and lock it. Turn on light burn, enter rotation mode, set the number of the pulses to 12,000, and enter the measured outer diameter. By the way, don't forget to manually focus the material before marking and align the material with the preview frame of the fire. Once everything is set up, locate the rotation starting point on the software. Okay, let's get to work now. Finally, a little tip. Remember to hold down the little button above the connector when pulling it out. That's all. For more information, you can contact us or visit our official website. See you soon!